Hi, Mrs McTaggart here, and in this video we're looking at area of composite shapes again. This time it's going to be a mixture of rectangles and triangles put together. Let's have a little look. By now you should already know area of a rectangle and area of a triangle though, hopefully. So actually before we get there, so area of a rectangle, so remember a rectangle will be area equals length times breadth, and a triangle will be area equals a half times base times height, or length times breadth, depending on what language you've used. So I'll be using those formulas. I won't always write them down though, okay? Just to recap, so here's example 1, and I've split this one up into area A and area B. I always do A first, which is the rectangle, so I just think it's always easier to get the rectangle out of the way. So area A will be length times breadth, which is 10 times 8, which is 80. So started off nice and easy. Area B is a triangle, which is a half length times breadth, or a half base times height. So this line here is 10. So it's a half times 10 times the height of the triangle, which is 6. Now a half of 10 times 6 is a half of 60, which is 30. And then your total area will be to add them together and get 110 square centimetres. So this is classed as my easier one, okay, because there was no missing numbers. What happens now is we do this one. We don't have this little length here, which I'm going to put in a question mark out for. We don't have the base of the triangle. So let's work out that first. So the rectangle is 12, so this is 12 here. And we have to figure out what the question mark is that will take that up to 20. So we're really just doing 12 take away 20, which is 8. So the base of the triangle is 8. So let's start with area A. Now area A is the rectangle, so we're not using that 20 at all. That was just to help us get the base of the triangle. So the rectangle is 12 times 9. 12 times 9 is 108. Area B will be half base times height. The base of the triangle is 8. The height of the triangle is 9. A half of 8 times 9 is half of 72. Or if you want to make it easier, half of 8 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. And then as ever, you have to add these together to get your total. Adding them up, 8 add 6 is 14. 3 add 1 is 4. And 1 add nothing is 1. So we have an area of 144 centimetres squared. Now, just a little chat about another method that you might want to look at is we could have done the whole rectangle, which was 9 by 20, is 180. We could have done this little triangle here, which was 8 by 9, which was, a half of 8 times 9, which was 36. And we could have taken them away to figure out, take away that little bit there, and we would have still got the answer of 144. But it is generally more likely that you would do it rectangle plus triangle. So I've got 2 slides with examples. Slide 1, if you wish to pause it and try these, you can. These are the easy ones with no missing sides. Slide 2 are the harder ones where you've got to work out the heights or the bases of the triangles, depending on the orientation of the picture. And then if you're done, you can unpause and the answers are here. This time I've typed up my answers and you can check them and see how you get on. I hope this has helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.